What's your name?
Bradley Johnson.
So, you traded in your what for a what?
I traded in my 2021 Ninja 650 that I had for a year. That was my first bike for a 2022 Hayabusa.
And how many miles was on it?
A little over 600.
And what happened at the dealership?
The guy that did my first oil service dropped it. He put the kickstand down, and then the infamous bad kickstand of the Hayabusa dropped, and he halfway dropped it on the ground and caught it halfway down, but it did some damage to the fairings and the exhaust.
So even the Gen 3 Hayabusas need to have the kickstand mod completed immediately upon purchase, and that's basically just taking it off, grinding out a little bit of it, and putting it back on.
You can even buy aftermarket ones.
You can even buy aftermarket one, but I'm cheap. I'll grind it.
Yeah.
You can take it over to the shop and grind it today if you want to. So what happened last night?
So last night I mowed my yard, and I decided just to go for a 5-minute ride just to kind of top up the battery and everything. And 30 seconds after I left my house, I hit a deer doing 75 miles an hour. And broke the deer's neck. Killed a deer with a motorcycle.
And what happened to you?
Broke 2 fingers and probably a wrist. I got to find out for sure later today.
So what's going on with this bag of parts over here?
That's all the parts I could find. Deer hit me and plastic exploded all over the place. This is all the big pieces that I could find. Everything else is just tiny, scattered everywhere. Got a bunch of deer hair in there.
Oh, that's too funny. The only person I know that smacks a deer doing 75.
And walks away.
And actually, it looks like from the video, the deer hit you.
Well, yeah, the deer hit me.
You didn't like technically hit the deer, and you were able to keep it upright. You didn't drop it.
No, if it was any further in front of me, I would have hit it head on and probably flung over. And if it was any further back, she probably would have spun me around.
I do notice that the lights are kind of floppy.
Yeah.
And we got to take it up there to the dealership and get an estimate for repair. Alrighty. Well, this is what it looked like now, and hopefully the next time you see it, it will be fully repaired and ready to ride again.
The price of it, I wish I would have took all this. I bought all the factory stuff. I should have took all the aftermarket stuff back off and sold it.
So this is technically his old bike that he traded in. It's still here for sale.
Put the new back tire on it, new brakes.
Yeah. Basically didn't get the gas tank at all.